Hey, this is Hans the Ramenator coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today I've got one from these guys. This is a new one. It's in fact, I don't think you're even going to be able to get it yet. That's how new it is. It's a special deal I got here. Cup noodles, stir fry. There's 3 different kinds. This is the Korean barbecue. Why did I pick this one first? Well, I just like teriyaki. Korean barbecue is a flavor that's like seldom done remotely right in the US. And I thought, if I'm gonna put these things through the ringer, I'm gonna start out with this one. So, but I'm hoping they're gonna be good. This is Nissin USA. And let's see, what do we got? Room temp to the line, microwave at 1000 watts for 4 minutes, and then let it sit for wait. Yeah, and then let it sit for 1 minute. Remove lid completely, right? Remove lid. Doesn't say completely, but I'm going with remove lid means do that. And oh my god. Okay. So it's been one of those days. A lot of screaming children, a lot of barking dog. Oh, whoa. Where's the line? It's on the side, isn't it? Yeah. It's hard to... See, that's a problem for me. Oh, there I see it. Way down in there. Okay. Adding water to fill line. Okay, so 4 minutes at 1000 watts for this sucker. I'm doing it. I hope there won't be a mess. So, yeah, God, it's like the children have been screaming all day. The dog has been barking. The stove, I like the idea of a glass top stove, but I'll tell you what, it is the biggest, most ridiculous pain in the ass in the world. It just seems like you look at it and it gets dirty. It's like you have a stove, a thing that's made to like have food in the general vicinity, and you made it out of nice smudgy cell phone screen. It's stupid. I don't like it. I don't like it. I don't like it. It heats up fast enough. Other than that, I don't like it. Did I mention I got jury duty? And it's like, they won't make me do it, but I already sent in the thing for the excusal. And it's like, come on. Get on with it. Stay-at-home dad of 2 and I'm legally blind. If you need me to have some proof of that legally blind part, no sweat. Easy peasy, done. I'll email my doctor, but I just hate things hanging over my head like that. You know what I mean? I wish I could do jury duty. I would love to do jury duty. That sounds like a lot of fun. Take part in the civic process and all that. It's downtown Seattle. I'd have to like figure out some way to get down there and do all that, but there's nobody who could watch the kids, and a lot of the times these court cases, it depends on what it is, but it could go on for months, you know. And I would have absolutely no problem doing that, but I got kids. There's nothing I can do about that. Nothing I really want to do about that. Most of the time, they're usually pretty good. And the thing that I think is really annoying me the most is that I got this really, really, really neat toy for Miles for his birthday. And it's like this combo play set. It's like a police station, a fire station. I think there's a hospital. And it's huge. It's like 4 feet wide by 2 feet tall. And it's made out of wood. And it's like got all this cool stuff with it. So we ordered it off of Amazon. I'm like, cool, he's gonna love this. You have to put the whole thing together. And I mean, looking at the instructions, we're gonna do it tonight. We've got to get it done. His birthday was over like, what? Almost a week and a half ago now. Well, not really. It's been like a week and a day. But it's just like, no, I don't want to make him wait for his big birthday present. I mean, he's pretty clueless about it anyways, but still, I'm not, and I want him to have it. So. But yeah, those are the things pissing me off currently. Things that are not pissing me off, however, is I beat last month's amount of steps. Oh. I got a runny nose. Everybody's got allergies around here. That's pissing me off. But I got the amount of steps to beat last month already, and it's the 27th, so I've got a few days to try to hit 800,000 steps on the month. So it said let it sit for a minute, so there's a minute. Yeah, I wonder how this is going to be. I'm hoping it's good. If it's not good, I'm going to be bummed for them. But we shall see. And I also got some Marchand stuff the other day, too. So, actually yesterday. So I'll be doing a bunch of this stuff because upcoming is the top 10 USA list, and it's hard because I have so little time because I'm trying to get all this walking in. I've got stuff to do with the kids and top 10 lists. Oh man, that is so hard to get happening because I got to set up the green screen. It's like the only thing I can really do is get everything all ready and then say, hey baby, take the kids, get out of here. And it's like, I don't want to have to do that. I want to wait for Miles to go back to school, and that'll be mid-September. And then we'll get it going. But that makes everything way late, and it's not like I'm going to put out all the lists on the same day or anything. Plus, those lists are a lot of editing. So it's going to be... everything's going to be shoved up maybe a month, maybe two. It's like the first one I'll be putting out will be the top 10 spicy list. The next one will be top 10 Taiwan. And the next one will be my top 10 healthy options or whatever. So that could just be... that might be September, October, November. I don't know. And there might be a new top 10 Chinese list in there. I don't know. I try to get... people want a top 10 garnishes list. People keep asking me about all these list ideas that they have, and it's just like, can you do this? Can you do this? And I really do want to come up with lists that appeal to people. Generally, it seems like people like my lists, but I want to be able to... I need one of those... God, what was it called? It was in Harry Potter. And... what's her name? Hermione had this thing. It was like a little watch, and she could be in like a million places at once. I need that. totally need like something like that. So here it is. Korean barbecue, huh? Okay. That's good. I'm liking that. The one thing I'm going to say though, okay, first off, the noodles, they've got a slight crumble to them that is actually really quite good. This is definitely passable as Korean barbecue flavor. I'm getting a little bit of cabbage in there. It's a little sloppy. Yeah, I like this. Here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to add the stuff that I was planning on adding later right now. So here, let's put these mung bean sprouts in. Because I don't think this is going to have enough goujlum for it to really... Yeah, here we go. There, that looks nice. And then I've got some beef. It's not like Korean barbecue beef. You'd probably know that from just looking at what I just put in there. But no, just some beef soaked in soy sauce. And it's like I tried to get this stir-fry beef. I got some at the local store, and it's a really nice cut, nice size. This stuff I got at Walmart, and it's like that wide. It's like, dude, that's not stir-fry beef. No, no, no. Do your due diligence. I'm gonna put some spring onion in here and reserve some for a regular topping. Let's do this up now. That's looking quite fancy. I think everyone will agree this looks like a wonderful thing. Yeah, I'm pleased with this one. I'm definitely pleased. Good job. This is a fair approximation of Korean barbecue flavor, which is like, yeah, good job. An American company pulling it off. I appreciate that. And then what you do, make sure you can see this because this is a tricky one. There you go. Alright. That's how we... No, we'll do a little more than that. Oh, you could have gone to the left. Or their right. Well... Beep, 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 beep. Boop, boop. Boop, boop. We got some there. From the deep ancient places in Asia, we bring you. God, where did I find this music?
An ancient recipe handed down for generations. A sandwich like no other. That's right.
Yeah. Noodle time. Yeah. Alright, cool. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider. Yeah, if you are at the store and you see this stuff, pick it up. It's good. I like it. So, yeah. Alright, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your instant noodles every day. Have a good one. Bye.